Hey guys, my project is basically image detection using MATLAB. Here the code is first dumped into the database with the main scene image, and the reference image which is to be detected is also being dumped. Let me run it for you. Yes, this would be the output. In this image we are going to find out this toy car. This is going to be the detected image, that is the reference image, and this is the main image. This is the main output. In this is the image of the cluttered scene, and this is the image of the cluttered scene which is converted into the grayscale, and here this is the toy car which is going to be detected. First of all, there are 100 strongest points which is detected from the image of the cluttered scene. Similarly, there are some of the points which is detected from the toy car as well, and here the outliers and the inliers of the toy car image from the main image is detected and it is matched. At last, there is a polygon which is drawn around the boundary of the car which shows that the image is detected. That's it. Thank you.